Hey guys, come with me on the road.
Pretty little black skin girl. Yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
So I'm at Bargain Mall. I'm going to try to get a slippers because I'm going to a party in Port Royal next month. So I'm trying to get my outfit ready. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. The place that I wanted to go, I didn't know it was an online-based store, and I can't bother with that. So I'm going to go to one of these stores in Bargain Mall because I don't finish the bank business I'm doing. Guys, you ever deal with like a account, like a teller, and them they like you can know so them new? The girl I'm deal with today, she wasn't bad, but she behaved new. She behaved very new. Like she didn't really do them something. So yeah, me go get one slippers. I'm so hella bored. I'm so tired. I don't know me left me out. Even though I had a right reason to leave my house. Guys, me just can't bother. Next week Monday school. So now again at the Chinaman store. So the Chinaman but oh my god, these are so nice. Them for the men's. The place it doesn't look too bad. Now for one nice because slippers I can wear my outfit. Go about China fashion. See what them have up there. Come on, one nice slippers. I end up getting that brown strap-up slippers from Chin Fashion in Bargain. I go back here a good spot to get something to eat from Chinese restaurant. Wow. So I'm here waiting on my order. I'm gonna walk over the other place because the other place has Wi-Fi. We have some no Wi-Fi. The food was really good. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. After showing my errands, I met up with my friend who went to Starbucks to get some gift card for I got mocha and she got mocha too. This time I got the chocolate chip, I don't know its name, and this time I got the mocha. I think this is better than the chocolate chip. Yeah. So my dog here away on Kiki to get her order because she's at a Chinese restaurant.
Nó attack.
She just said one go later. It look nice, see?
No, eat that though. No, eat that.
Hey! Big up she right there, song. As we are going to put up some posters because we have a youth club in Glengoff. So that's what we're going to do today. Show the camp.
When I get the poster in it. Nobody knows this, yeah? So yeah, we just get the poster them.
To put out. So tell them about the youth club because
Alright, so we just get the poster them and something on the tape and we're just showing that. So we're gonna put them up. You know. So like when we can come out of the youth club and thing, we first start dates, we first meeting as it will be on the poster if you guys see it, is the 22nd of January. And we will be hosting a competition where we need a team song for the youth club. So whosoever come up with the best team song, them get a Starbucks gift card along with something else. The second best song, them get phone card. The third best song get phone cards too. And as I said, we can come out of the youth club because it really,
engaging.
It really engaging and it nice for know people in our community, and it beneficial as it relates to like the work world in the future.
Yeah, and it's good for your resume.
And it's good for your resume because even me myself, like The youth club just a reinstate back because it's always been something that has been happening in Glengarth. So we just a start back. But like before, I've always been in the youth club, and like now that I was in the work world, like when I tell people say, "Oh, we in a youth club," like them really gravitate to that, you know, like bosses and everything. Them gravitate to that shit. Like, oh, you used to in a youth club. That means you experience where engaging in groups and everything there is concern and you're actually proactive. So yeah, like just come out guys, because we really need your support. So yeah, we just reached the gas station and we're putting up one at the gas station.
Heading home now. I have 2 that I'm going to post up. We'll post it in different districts. Kiki gone back down a Grove side. So she gonna post in my Freetown, Augustone, Grove, Top Road, them parts there. And I post it on a Cassava River. So I post it at the place on a Cassava River. Hey guys, come with me on the road. I jumped on a bus and went to Artiste to run a quick errand. When I went to Pablo's to go buy the material, Pablo's was closed. I had to wait about 5 minutes for them to open. I searched and searched until I found the material that I was looking for. It was that blue mesh material. I bought it, then I went home. And then we had a little traffic coming around Templar side because they are fixing the roads. Thank you Jesus. Then I went to a small meeting with some governmental thing, and this is what I ate for lunch. Thanks for watching.